You're not puffing anymore. You're looking more normal. Hey?
Maybe just push him, like give him a little nudge towards the...
Yeah. Hey?
Just give him a little nudge.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey? You're all right. You okay? Are you okay? Hey?
He still seems to be a bit stunned.
Are you okay? Are you gonna fly? Or should you come with me? You want me to take you down by the waterfall? We got a waterfall. Hey? You're gonna get a drink.
What are you doing?
Are you gonna come with me? Hey, it's okay. You stay there.
Just drop it. There you go.
Come on.
Is that him?
I don't know. No, that's me. Come on. There you go. Oh, good birdie. What a good birdie. Hang on. Yeah, if I fall down here, you might be hurt. Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. We got you. You'll be okay here. Let me put you down where you got a little shade. Are we by the waterfall or by the feeder?
Maybe by the theater, because he might have friends
I'm sure
who
he's familiar with that.
come to help.
Yeah, these are the birdies here. They're all those rebel sparrows. But hey, there you go. There you go. There you go, buddy. Aw. Hello. Hello. There. Look. Look. There you go.
Just leave the towel there.
There you go.
I hope he's not injured.
Yeah.